The way we build, the way we live is changing. We're witnessing a revolution where an increasing requirement for ever more efficient renewable resources is driving some very exciting innovation. Astectherm is one such technology. I'm Jason Bradbury, I'm a tech reviewer, and I first came across Astectherm when I was looking for a solution to a small renovation project. I wanted a way to heat a relatively cold outdoor space quickly and efficiently, but I was keen to find a smart, environmentally friendly alternative to conventional heating systems with the option to control it remotely. I was also keen to maximise space, and with the heating mats plastered into my ceiling, there are no radiators to work around. Astectherm offers an infrared heating solution plastered into walls or ceilings, for example, that alongside smart heating controls can utilise the energy you bring into the house in a more efficient manner than many competing technologies. Infrared heating operates by releasing infrared radiation. This radiation is absorbed by the various surfaces in the room, which in turn heat the surrounding air, resulting in a very clean, satisfyingly warming effect with no cold spots. I've lived with Astectherm now for 4 seasons and I'm really happy with the result. In fact, I would like them to come back and do the rest of my house.